Hi and welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. In today's video, I am doing a late unboxing of the September 2022 Curl Box. I already know what's in it because it's been on social media, but I still wanted to do the unboxing since this is something that I do every month for the Curl Box. This is the subscription box, so if you're interested in Curlbox, make sure that you sign up for their email so you know when the subscription list is open. So here's the booklet. It says the September issue, September 2022, Curlbox and JCPenney Salon, and it has everything that's in here, and I will go through each product right now. So the letter from the editor says, here's what I know. You're never going to see this kind of deal or box anywhere. With a value of over $114, this box boasts high quality brands and products, and we have JCPenney to thank for this epic moment. Sit down, dig in, and add JCP Salon to the top of your list when you're thinking about who can best serve your curls with a professional service that offers excellent products too. So that's good to know. Sometimes it's hard to find a salon or a hairstylist that can do curly hair that's available when you're available, so that's interesting to find out. So I'll be looking into that. So the first product in the booklet that they show is this Denman D3 brush. This feels smaller than the one that I've tried in the past, but this is the ultimate multi-use hairbrush for detangling, blow drying, styling, defining curls, and smoothing the hair. The 7-row pin pattern helps to reduce catches and drags while styling your hair. And the tip for this says to use on curls while the hair is still wet, brush in an outward motion, and twist brush to create definition. So that's interesting. I don't think when I had a Denman brush, I used it properly, so this is cool. It's something that I've been thinking about buying for months now, but I never got to it, so now I have one. Next is the Conair Scunchie, I don't know how to say that word. It's a head wrap. It says treat your tresses to a playful look with this twisted tie-dye head wrap in peach, blue, and cream. Made with soft wooden fabric and an elasticized section that gives an ample stretch, this boho style band complements your most casual looks and is comfortable for all day wear. So this is cute. I like these little headbands. Next is the Nourish and Shine Liquid Gel Curl Primer. This says just like a primer improves the look of a foundation and a serum boosts the benefits of a moisturizer, this hydrating pre-styling conditioner maximizes the results of styling creams or gels. The sunflower oil and honey infused formulas help create a barrier between hair and moisture in the air that preps curls for easy styling. Now this is interesting. I wonder if this would have helped my curls over the summer with the humidity. They were just not staying long enough. So this is something I'm interested in trying. So next says is a Canvity Itch Calming Serum Packet. This is a little tiny 1 milliliter packet of a Canvity Itch Calming Serum, and it says this gentle, fast-acting, cool serum instantly soothes and nurtures the scalp. It is infused with aloe vera, manuka honey, peppermint, lavender, and witch hazel, giving you a lightweight and residue-free formula to ease dry, itchy, and irritated scalps. So I'm going to try this on my son's scalp because his scalp is more irritated and it gets buildup and stuff more than mine does. So this is interesting. I'm going to try it, and if it does work, then I'll end up buying the actual product because this is just a really little amount. Next is the Farouk BioSilk Silk Therapy. This award-winning weightless leave-in silk replenishing and reconstructing treatment helps prevent split ends, fills voids in cuticle to create smooth hair, and provides incredible shine. This is interesting because I do get split ends and single strand knots all the time for some reason, and this might help with those areas. So this is interesting. And it says no parabens, so that's good. Next is a Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Lavender Mint Overnight Moisture Therapy. This sleep-enhancing blend of dreamy herbs and florals restores and repairs as you sleep for healthy, hydrated hair. This product boasts Monoi, Pekui, and jojoba oils to help repair, protect, and deeply condition dry, damaged hair. I don't know what Pekui is. I'm probably saying it wrong, but this does have silicones in it, so that's still interesting. Next is the Twist by Ouidad Curl Goals Moisture Locking Leave-In Conditioner. This one says hydrate, detangle, and prime with the moisture that all curls crave. Curl Goals infuses lightweight moisture for curls that need a little extra hydration to build definition. And last but not least is this Sexy Hair Tri-Wheat Leave-In Conditioner. This one says it keeps the tangles at bay and breakage away. Tri-Wheat's leave-in reduces breakage up to 81% and improves detangling up to 90%. This product is a must-have for silk press season to tame frizz and flyaways, improve smoothness, and add shine, all while delivering up to 72 hours of humidity resistance and thermal protection up to 450. This is interesting because I am going to be heat styling my hair very soon, and I cannot wait to try this because it sounds like exactly what I need. So that is everything in this September curl box. There's also a little flyer, I think we got this last year as well, with all the treatments and services that JCPenney Salon does. I will be checking them out and seeing what they can offer me. Thank you so much for joining me unbox the September 2022 curl box. If you'd like to see my previous unboxings, please click here. And if you would like to see some wash and goes that I've done in the past, you can click right here. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.